My name is Hiren Bhatt. Today I am giving you in-depth analysis of power company Niveli Lignite Corporation India Limited, which is known as NLC India Limited, and it is listed on BSE and NSE. Company is generating power through lignite and as well as renewable energy sources. Company is very good and very old company which is generating power. Today company's market capitalization is 18,602 rupees. Stock price earning ratio is 9.63. Return on capital employed is 13.5. Current price is 134. Book value is 119. Return on equity is 15.5. 12-month company high low 148 is high and 69.70 is low. Dividend yield comes out to be 2.61%. Face value is rupees 10. Company is NLC India Limited. It is a government Navratna company. Company is nearing its 12-month high, so likely to make new high company. This is not recommendation to buy or sell the stock. This is only analysis and only for educational purpose. I am not giving any tips or any recommendation of buying or selling. This is purely for educational purpose and do according to your risk and capital. Company is trading at 1.13 times its book value. Company has been maintaining healthy dividend payout ratio of 27.0%. Debtor days have improved from 162 to 96.3 days. Company's working capital requirement have reduced from 187 days to 139 days. And company's consequences, company has a low return on equity of 9.98% over last 3 years. Contingent liability is rupees 11,582 rupees. Company might be capitalizing on the interest cost. Earning include another income of rupees 2,660 crore. Company last quarter result is very good and company is giving 2 times more profit in last quarters. If you like our video, subscribe to our channel. Please give us a like button. Don't forget to give like to this video. Subscribe to our channel for Demat account opening and delivery based link is given below, which is on Zerodha. It is giving zero brokerage to you. Company shareholding pattern. Company is 79.20% is owned by Government of India. FII is holding 0.95%. DII is holding 9.18%. Government is holding 4.31% and public is holding 6.37%. NLC is situated in Neyveli, Tamil Nadu, India. Company is founded in 1956. Company's long-term target for 12 months comes out to be 200 rupees. Company's attractively priced and company has very low price earning ratio, so it is likely to move further on higher side in future. Company is generating electricity using lignite coal, wind and solar sources. Company sells electricity to state discoms in southern India and Rajasthan. Company NLC India has a various interest in mining and power generation projects under implementation phase. It has mines and power plant in Tamil Nadu, Andaman and Rajasthan. The company has a license inspection office in Chennai, Hyderabad, Mumbai, Kolkata, Bhubaneswar and New Delhi. Company's operating margin comes out to be 12%. Company's business generated impressive, very impressive, rupees 685.74 crore in cash. Reduction in debt to equity ratio 0.75 to 0.64%. Company has got credit ratings from CRISIL, ICRA and CARE. It is AAA stable. Company's strategy to generate power. At NLC India Limited, combination of thermal and renewable energy groundbreaking initiative where commercial mining, establishment of electrical vehicle charging stations, green hydrogen, pump storage, hydropower projects, blending lignite with coal and underground coal gasification. This is all important projects taken by NLC India. Better management of working capital is company's priority as said by the management. Company has a renewable power capacity addition. In 23 it is 1421 megawatts and in 2029-30 it comes out to be 631 megawatt. So company is very highly poised for future growth. So kindly do according to your risk and do long term call in this company, because power is always in short in future in India. Company's lignite based power generation capacity is 3640 watt. Company's coal mining capacity is 20 metric ton per annum and lignite mining capacity is 3041 metric ton per annum. Company is taking green hydrogen initiative. Company is taking electrifying future electrical vehicle and renewable revolutions. Company has got financial assistance from Government of India as a capital subsidy, government support for solar park, green energy corridor, ISTS waiver and lower corporate tax. Company's renewable purchase obligation and solar power unparalleled opportunity is very vast. Company is exploring green hydrogen potential. Company is always very good in generating power through its resources. Kindly like our channel and subscribe and support us. Thank you very much. Thank you, bhai.